Tired of watching your money disappear without a trace? You're not alone. We all want to take control of our finances, but with so many budgeting tools out there, it can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into a showdown between two popular contenders, Quicken and YNAB. You need a budget. We'll break down their features, pros, and cons, so you can decide which one is the better fit for your financial journey. Let's start with Quicken. This veteran in the personal finance software game boasts a long history and a comprehensive feature set. Quicken excels in automatic data import, seamlessly connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, saving you time and effort. Bill pay and reminders, schedule and pay bills directly within the software, and receive alerts for upcoming due dates. Investment tracking, track your stocks, bonds, and other investments, making it a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Tax advice and preparation, provides tax guidance and even helps you prepare your tax returns. However, Quicken also has its drawbacks. Cost, it can be expensive, especially with premium features. Steeper learning curve, the interface can be complex and may take some time to master. Occasional glitches, like any software, Quicken can experience occasional bugs or technical issues. Now, let's turn our attention to YNAB. This budgeting method, turned software, has gained a cult-like following for its unique approach. Here's what makes YNAB stand out. The 4 rules. YNAB emphasizes 4 core principles: give every dollar a job, save for a rainy day, spend less than you earn, and track your progress. Budgeting philosophy, it shifts your mindset from restricting spending to prioritizing your goals. Intuitive interface, YNAB is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate. Strong community support, a vibrant online community provides support, encouragement, and valuable insights. But YNAB also has its limitations. Manual data entry relies heavily on manual data entry, which can be time-consuming. Limited investment tracking features are more basic compared to Quicken. Can feel restrictive, some users may find the rigid budgeting rules too strict. So, which one reigns supreme? Quicken or YNAB? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your individual needs and preferences. Choose Quicken if you prioritize automation, comprehensive investment tracking, and robust bill pay features. You're willing to invest in a premium tool and don't mind a steeper learning curve. Choose YNAB if you're looking for a budgeting philosophy that helps you change your spending habits. You prefer a user-friendly interface and value a strong community. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try them both. Many budgeting tools offer free trials, so take advantage of them to see which one you prefer. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for your unique financial situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.